So a couple years ago, I had my rear tail light on the passenger side not working properly. It would go into the hyper flash mode and it wouldn't illuminate at the back. The left turn signal would work properly, but the right would not. Now, after a bunch of research on my own time, I ended up figuring out it was a TIPM issue, so a totally integrated power module that's under the hood that has a lot of internal issues that could go wrong, some electrical issues with this truck, 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. Now what I did is I replaced the TIPM with a used TIPM. It worked for about a year and then it just stopped working. So what I did is I came up with a different solution. Since this truck is not going to be around forever, I just put an illuminated switch in with a flasher. And although it's not the original connection, it works and it's legal. And it was under $100.